What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, an experiment. We're going to take a 1992 Lexus SC400 and verse its startup and idle compared to a 58-year-old Cadillac. So one of the reasons why I was thinking about this is this engine was known for being so smooth that you didn't have to worry about it, the shake or the vibration from the engine transferring into the vehicle. It was the peak of luxury. And don't get me wrong, it's a really cool engine, especially if you want to do something with performance and you want a V8 and something small, light, fits the bill. But is it really better at starting up and idling and hitting 3,000 RPMs than a 58-year-old car? That's what I want to know, because I'm curious. I don't know if you guys are, but let's see how the old girl fights against the new girl. So the claim is you can start this thing up and rev it up to 3,000 RPMs without spilling a drop. Now it is a little bit canny-wonka, so, you know, not to give it excuses, but listen, this thing has a lot of hype to live up to. This thing has 230,000 miles on it or something. Maybe not. I'll have to look. But right to the lip on this side. So just for, 237,000 miles. Start up. Alright, color me impressed, it can do it. But can a 58-year-old caddy do it? Alright, now it's the caddy's turn. Now, of course, both of these have been started up and run to their warm. Give it a good shake between the two. But, let's try her out. Vibration, but we didn't spill anything. So yeah, she shook a little bit, but I guess it's not quite as hyped up as it's supposed to be. So, cheers. So that was actually kind of fun. I enjoyed that. I didn't actually expect that the Cadillac would do nearly as well as it did with how easily and smooth it ran. I'm actually surprised it didn't lose a lot of water. So big kudos to the guys that designed that engine back in the day and made it, last 58 years and still idle fairly nicely. It didn't spill any water. We'll go there. And I'm very impressed that the SC400 was actually able to do that. It had very little surface tension, disruption. So that was fun. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm a big kudos to Cadillac when they developed that engine and that platform, because it did really well. That's all I have for you today. It's just a really quick one. I saw a video about it and I just wanted to have some fun. So you have yourselves a glorious afternoon, and remember, keep your shiny side up and stay, just have fun, guys. God bless.